Yo, so quick note on rolling the foam, the lower back with a foam roller. So in some of the demo videos, you may see the teenagers that are demoing it like, hey, what's up, super duper. If that doesn't feel bad on me, but if you do have any kind of contraindication like old injury, tension, imbalance on one side, don't do that at all. One thing you can do is you can put your elbows down and then push down with your elbows and put a little bit of tension on the low back so you can relax the hips. Or you can approach from the opposite side and just decompress the low back by rolling side to side. Or when you get off, bridge up. Don't do like people tend to do. Do not do that. Or to decompress the low back, just some gentle hugs or full-on happy baby. And I like to roll side to side. Hello, happy baby, happy baby. That usually does it for my back. But yeah, rolling back and forth like that video demo shows is aggressive, and yeah, you don't need to do it.